Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is March mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you? Capricorn, it's sign. Capricorn, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow, very good reading for you, Capricorn. So let's see, 3 of Cups and 5 of Swords. Maybe for some, you both have some misunderstandings between you and your person. I think it was past. I think so. There is some celebrations coming towards you in your life, especially maybe you are getting financial stability. You are going to celebrate your success in near future. And for some who are in separation, reconciliation, and union is coming into your life, especially in your love life. So let's see your reading, recent, past, 10 of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles and King of Cups. So Capricorn, you are achieving financial stability. In recent past, you started concentrating on your career, achieving financial stability. And Knight of Pentacles and King of Cups. I think 2 persons were interested in you. Maybe one could be past and the one could be new person. Definitely there are 2 persons for some. For some it could be only 1 person. So if you are in separation with your person, they are coming back. If you are not in separation with your person, they want to take this relationship to next level. Past was very good. Then present, 10 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles and 2 of Wands. 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. There is a lot of happiness coming towards you. 10 of Cups, happiness. Your person want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level. 3 of Pentacles. I think in past there is no partnership. There is no collaboration between both of you. Now your person want to offer partnership. And 2 of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And you thinking about them a lot. But I think there is upgrade in relationship and lot of happiness is coming towards you, stability, and they want to marry you. And future, 8 of Swords, Judgment and the Fool card. So sometimes you're feeling stuck, 8 of Swords energy, but it is temporary, not a permanent. And Judgment, you are going to make some major decision regarding your love life or in a work area. There is some major decision in the month of March, Capricorn. And the Fool energy, you will be in this energy near future and it is very good energy. You live in the present moment, are going with the flow. No matter which situation you are in, you are going with the flow. This is very good energy. So I think I'm totally seeing upgrade in relationship. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Then water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But lot of earth energy here. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. 6 of Cups under the deck. If you are in separation, they want reconciliation with you and they are thinking about you a lot. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Capricorn. Your money is also good, looking very good. Financial stability, material success is coming towards you, especially in the month of March. So your person feelings towards you, Capricorn. 2 cards. Temperance. I think there is some waiting is going between you and your person, because Temperance is also patience and 3 of Wands is also waiting, and 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. I think Your person is waiting for the right time. They're ready. They're thinking about to work on this relationship. 8 of Pentacles. It is again slow moving energy. Yeah, they're planning something big. Really, I think they want to take this relationship to next level, but they are planning. Right now, they're taking their time. They want to restore the balance. And Queen of Swords. Communication with clarity is coming. I think you are very honest person in this connection, that your person thinking that you are very straightforward in nature and very honest and very giving. So let's see their actions. Five of Swords again. I think under the deck, Two of Swords. They're missing you so much. Four of Cups and Five of Swords and the World. I think they're taking it very slow. Right now, your person feeling missed opportunity with you. There are a lot of things going in your person's life. Five of Swords energy. And again, this could be long distance relationship, the World card. For some, the same cycle is repeating between you and your person again and again. Maybe the new person is entering towards you. That person is taking to next level. I think your past person is right now holding back. I think a new love is coming towards you because Knight of Pentacles and King of Cups is there. So I think Knight of Pentacles is your person and King of Cups a new person. I think your new person really want to take this relationship to next level. I think in past person they're thinking to offer to take this relationship to next level, but it will take so much time because right now they're feeling, I think they're holding back. They missed opportunity with you, but led a lot of things, and again juggling Two of Swords. Still they are juggling. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed. New love. Yeah, again Temperance. Your person taking their time. I think a new person is coming towards you, Capricorn. For some your past person will come, but it will take so much time because I'm not seeing any proper action. They're thinking Eight of Pentacles, but it is not in action, intention mode. Yeah, so you're feeling it is hard work for you, and things are started turning out into your favor. Maybe you decide to accept new love. I think a new person really want to take this relationship to next level because 10 of Cups is there, 10 of Pentacles is there. So I think there is someone is coming towards you to marry you, to propose you. And Nine of Pentacles, you are concentrating on your abundance, Capricorn. You will achieve in near future and you are no more dependent on anyone. And this connection is very, very hard, like burden for you. Because they keep putting you in a waiting mode. And Ace of Swords. So there is some clarity is coming. Maybe clarity, truth is coming. Communication will be happen between both of you. Some clarity, and Chariot is there. Maybe you decided to leave on this person and accept new love. For some, you are waiting for your person to come back. So let's see your overall energy, Capricorn. Sagittarius, the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. So the Lovers card came reverse, and the Tower, yeah, literally you are undergoing Tower moment. There is some communication is happened. For some, one person is younger than the other person in this connection. And King of Swords. I think you are started thinking through your logical mind. Yeah. So let's see your person overall energy, Capricorn. Knight of Wands, they are very attracted to you. Communication is coming, but see, definitely they are holding back because they are sneaky. Maybe they played games with you. There is some manipulation involved. Six of Swords, yeah. I think there is no honest honest commitment towards you. I think that's a new person because your past person looking very sneaky, and they Knight of Wands energy, they will attract towards you. They will come and go, but there is no commitment, to be honest. So let's see messages from your person. And I think you decided to cut off this person from your life, Ace of Swords. You are the only one for me. All I want is you, and I'm crazy about you. Retreat. Finances and career. And one more. Holding back. I already told you they're holding back. So I think for some these are the messages from your new person who already approached you, maybe going to be approached. So I'm very crazy about you. Retreat. You're the only one for me. For some, your past person holding back finances and career. So take what resonates and leave the rest, guys. I am seeing new love is coming towards you, Capricorn. For some, two persons approaching you, but the past person will take so much time, to be honest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A fairy climax approaches. Yeah, maybe you decided to end things with this person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.